Paulami is now joining us live for the very latest. Paulami, you've got the Civil Aviation Minister taking stock of the situation. Now, the important part here, Paulami, is that I was just speaking to an aviation expert a little while ago who said that multiple times it's been flagged off that this particular airstrip is not safe for landing. He saw that this kind of tragedy could perhaps take place. He flagged it off multiple times as well. Warnings were ignored, and he went and pinned the blame solely on the Civil Aviation Ministry. What are you picking up in terms of whether this could have been avoided or not?
Well, you were, of course, speaking to Captain Mohan Ranganathan, who was part of the committee which submitted that report at the time to Naseem Zaidi. Basically, this is around 2010-2011 when these issues around Calicut Airport were flagged off. Yes, there were certain concerns, as there are concerns around tabletop airports and safety concerns, around these airports. And several such airports have been, in fact, red flagged across India as well. Especially, like I said, an audit of sorts was done after the Bangalore incident on 22nd of May 2010. What Captain Mohan Ranganathan was telling you was about the Calicut Airport and runway 10, where this aircraft skidded off. Now, what he's talking about is the safety net, which I was telling you about earlier, Chaiti, as well. That you keep a little bit of a bit of a safety margin in terms of an aircraft landing, and then, of course, pressing the brakes, like I said, and then, of course, coming to a halt on a runway, on an airstrip. What Captain Ranganathan is telling you is that in 2011, he told the authorities is that when that kind of margin should have been at least close to 200 meters, if you're looking at it vertically, it was 90 meters. You look at it sideways, it was 75 meters when it should have been at least 150 meters. What he also talked about, which we are learning right now, Chaiti, I beg your pardon, in terms of the DGCA, and the inspection which was conducted at Calicut Airport only last year, rubber deposits. Now, rubber deposits is something that a flight leaves behind after a flight has landed. Now, that needs to be cleaned up in the after a flight has landed, so that an aircraft which lands after that doesn't skid. Now, this was not happening. That cleanup was not happening, if you may. There was a lot of rubber deposits, and this was one of the things which was flagged as late as 2019 by the DGCA when it conducted an inspection of Calicut Airport. But unfortunately, AAI, which is the Airports Authority of India,
yes,
which manages Calicut Airport, the Kariput Airport,
yes,
did not exactly, probably take these safety concerns as seriously as they should have. Now, we're not going to speculate,
obviously, obviously we're not drawing up any conjectures or speculating for that matter, but we're going to continue raising those very important questions on whether warnings were ignored, proper precautionary measures were taken or not taken, whether this tragedy could have been avoided or not. Paulami, continue to stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.